H88, the Bob Love W4, the i3, I think is another rebranded version of the same camera that they sell on Amazon. You know, the mini body cam, miniature body cam or thumb cam or whatever they call it. Okay, so once the camera's on and in standby mode, you have to double tap that front button again in order to put it into Wi-Fi mode to pair the phone with your, or to pair the phone with your camera. I forgot to bring up the app. Oh, hang on a minute. Oh, yeah, there it is. Viidure. Okay, so it works. Starts recording right away. Microphone's on. You can turn the microphone on or off. Okay, it's back on now. The one on the left is the GPS, and the one on the right is your location. It shows where you are, where your phone is located on a map. That's to start recording. Okay, so you pause it. It takes a minute. And this is to go into your, this is to take a picture. So you can go into the camera settings, or sound recording, photo resolution, choose that, video resolution, your different options, your loop recording duration, different options, exposure compensation, time watermark, on or off, collision sensing, that's if you're using it as a dash cam, camera language, Wi-Fi password, firmware version, format the SD card, and factory reset. That's it. Yeah, go into your files here. Yeah. Loop recording snapshot. Your locked files, you know, that you don't want to delete by accident for whatever reason. You need it as evidence. I don't know. Whatever. It's good. You get a timeline thing there. Okay, let's try Roadcam, because I like that one. I just want to see if it's going to work with this camera. There it is, H88. And I want to see if this works with this camera. So, okay, go back to that. H88, there it is. So it does work. Good. How do we do this? Stop. Go into your, you get the Wi-Fi stuff. Time, date, time stamp. Whether you want that on or off, motion detection, cyclic recording time, 1 minute all the way up to 9 minutes. G sensor if you use it as a dash cam. You could have, you know, different levels of sensitivity. Auto power off. You could set that up. Recording quality, I usually have it for, you know, 1440p. Exposure value, you could set that, and that's it. It's ridiculously simple to use. Camera version of firmware. Yeah, that's it. So it automatically starts recording. Okay, so to access your stuff, you have to stop it first, then go into video. It opens up the video folder. So, you know, whatever you recorded before, like me recording this right now, you know, you could access it, tap on it to play it, you know, or, you know, tap on it to long press on it to, you know, delete it or download it to your phone, as you can see on the bottom there. You do that. That's it. And once you go back to the main screen, it just starts recording automatically. You know, and there's no photos in here, but you could do the same. Well, yeah, it's photos of my kitchen. Yeah, and it shows the date and time that they were taken, all that kind of stuff. It's pretty cool. Yeah, very nice. That's it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.